Understanding the Class Syllabus, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept in the academic world, the class syllabus. Whether you're a student or a curious learner, understanding what a syllabus is and why it's important will help you navigate your educational journey with greater ease. So, let's dive in. The class syllabus is essentially a roadmap for a course. It's a document provided by the teacher or instructor that outlines the course content, objectives, and expectations. Think of it as a guide that answers questions like, what topics will be covered? What are the learning objectives? What assignments and exams are planned? What are the grading criteria and attendance policies? A syllabus is important because it sets the tone for the course and gives you a clear idea of what to expect and what is expected of you. Every class syllabus includes several key components. These typically include course description. This section provides an overview of what the course is about. Learning objectives. Here, you'll find what you are expected to learn or achieve by the end of the course. Course materials. This part lists the textbooks, articles, or other materials you'll need. Grading policy. It explains how your performance will be assessed and graded. Course schedule. This is a timeline of the topics, assignment due dates, and exam dates. Contact information. Details of how to reach your instructor for help or questions. Understanding your syllabus can greatly enhance your learning experience. Here's how to use it effectively. Read it thoroughly at the beginning of the course. Refer back to it regularly to keep track of assignments and deadlines. Use it to plan your study schedule and manage your time efficiently. Ask questions if anything is unclear or if you need more information. The class syllabus is a vital tool in your educational journey. By understanding and utilizing it effectively, you can stay organized, meet your academic goals, and have a successful learning experience. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to guiding you through more aspects of the English language and education. Happy learning!